friends, what's up? Moses here at the Driver Success channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I just want to ask for your help. As you know, I spend 10 hours, 12 hours, sometimes even more hours in this truck. I'm gonna show you around my truck to see how it looks like currently inside. If I'm spending that amount of time in this truck, this is really my workspace. And so I need to make it more comfortable than it currently is. I need to figure out a way of, I don't know what I should call it. Maybe I should call it to pimp it up, like pimp my truck, you know, like.
Yes. Guys, show us Oscar the Buck. Oh my God.
Where I just want to make the inside of the truck more of something that I love being in. So I just need your help with some ideas. Now, when I show you how the truck looks currently, you're gonna see it's dirty. Some of this stuff I did not really do. Ever since I got the truck, I've never really cleaned it up. But there's also stuff that was put in because I took it to the shop and they just left some rags in there and I've never really picked them up. Over the weekend, once in a while they will give my truck to somebody over the weekend when I'm off. And so sometimes I come in and guys have left in some trash. So when you watch the video, you will see some stuff that is dirty, like this guy ate chips and left chips within, like all over the place. But anyway, all I want to do is figure out how to make it clean. Now, I will admit some of the stuff that is messed up, it's my doing. I'll show you the stuff that is my doing and the stuff that is not my doing. But what I want to do is just clean it up and make it a place where I can enjoy to be. So I'm wondering if there are any ideas other than cleaning it up, because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean up, like pick up all the dirty stuff and throw out the stuff that I think was the other driver's stuff, the one who had this truck before me. So I'm gonna throw it out. I'm lucky so far I don't share my truck. You know, like some drivers have share their trucks where they have somebody use it for 12 hours and then another driver use it for the other 12 hours. Personally, so far I really don't share my truck. They only give it to somebody, I think every now and then when I'm off, or when somebody needs a truck because theirs in the shop and I'm off, they will give it to another driver. So, but I want to figure out, I'm wondering, is there another way I can make this really a workplace that is really nice other than cleaning it up? If you have any ideas, just leave them in the comment section below. I'm wondering if there are any ideas of how to make it look nice. Of course, there have to be things that I can implement since it's a company property. It has to be something that I can do without, you know, like destroying the truck, because it's not my truck. All right, I'm waiting to see what you guys have to say. All right, guys, until next time, stay blessed and stay safe. Those crumbs you see right there, the chips, those were left in by the driver that used my truck when I was off. Now those ropes you see, the blue and yellow ropes, those are also my mess because I got those from one of the trucks, one of the trailers, and I decided to put them in my truck just in case I may have need of them. But I was in a hurry. I've never even got time to just put them together. So this stuff right here is for the truck and some of it from the other driver. These rags right here, those are the rags from the shop. I took it in the shop and they left those rags. The bags are from the other driver, but those wires you see, that's my mess. I collect those wires from one of the customers, just throw them in there. When I need them, I can pull them over. But this mess is from the shop.